السلام علیکم، کیسے ہوں گے؟ بالکل خیریت سے ہوں گے. اور آج کا چیلنج ہم سٹارٹ کرنے والے ہیں اور اس چیلنج کا نام ہے چاکلیٹ چیلنج. تو آج کا چیلنج ہم سٹارٹ کریں گے اور اس سے پہلے میرے چینل کو سبسکرائب کریں، لائک کریں، کمنٹ کریں اور کمنٹ بتائیں اگر آپ کو یہ ویڈیو اچھی لگے تو مجھے کمنٹ میں بتائیں آپ کو یہ ویڈیو کیسی لگی.
Waiting for us. Let's go. Who's gonna be first? Let's fight for it. Well, hooray! I was stronger, so I'll be first. Ah, there's a monster in here! I'm not gonna lift that lid. A monster? What kind of monster? That's just an ordinary mouse. Look how cute he is. A mouse? Yeah, that's a huge rat. Ugh. You don't know anything. She could be your new best friend. All you need to do is feed her a little. If I have the real rat, then you have to have the chocolate one. I'd love to try that. Stop, hands off. I'll eat this chocolate without you. Yeah? Then I'm gonna have to pull one over on you. Here, I've got a plan for today. And it's a brilliant plan. I don't think I've ever thought of anything cooler in my life. How delicious! The chocolate just melts in your mouth. Weird. Where's Monica? Where'd she go? Well, whatever. I'll eat this chocolate by myself. What? Where's my chocolate rat? You little thief, Monica. I'll teach you not to steal other people's treats. Mr. Rat, your hour has arrived. Oh no! Ah! Get it away! It's gonna eat me! Bon appetit to the rat and me. So that this will be fair, we're gonna have to mix these up. Wow, a diamond! It smells like chocolate, so I'm sure it's also delicious. Wow! If your diamond is chocolate, then mine will be real. Whoa! I gotta steal that treasure. Just look at this beauty. Yeah, I can buy so much stuff now for myself. Listen, Mary, why don't you give it to me? It's fake. I can see it right away. I'll give you something for it, like a toy.
No.
Or a flower. Oh, my! No. Or maybe you want something a little more specific. Doesn't look like it's a lot of fun to have a real diamond. It's way easier to have a chocolate one. I want to take a bite. At least let me try it. I see. Sure thing. Here, Mary. I got this just for you. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much. Now you can have this real diamond. You mean fake one. Well, I'm off. Bye, everyone. And I'm taking the chocolate for myself because it's mine. No way, I just bought it. So it's mine. It looks like we were deceived. Zach, where's our diamonds? Girls, I don't know. I didn't take anything. Or did I? I don't even remember anymore. Mary, look, what's that over there? Where? look for it. I'm gonna open my lid. Wow! A firecracker! Now I'm gonna have a real holiday in here. There was nothing there. You tricked me. And did you really fall for it? Hooray! It's like a party in here. Guys, my birthday is in 2 months. This was just a rehearsal. If your firecracker is real, then mine should be chocolate. So this isn't just gonna be fun, but also delicious. Wow! Oh, what a gross firecracker. But it is delicious. Yeah, that doesn't look like chocolate. It kind of looks like... Quiet, I know. And it's not funny. We are ready. And here's our food. Wow! Let me open my plate first. Whoa, chocolate. That's a 10 out of 10. You're really lucky, Zach. I love chocolate with nuts. I'm sure it won't disappoint me. It looks really tasty. Of course, it's simply divine. The nuts crunch so nicely in my mouth. Cool. Zach, give us some, please. I have absolutely nothing left, sorry. Mary, open your plate. No! Smelly old cheese. We can't breathe in here. Do something. But what can I do? No. Just take it and eat it as fast as possible. Mary, come on. Zach, I don't want to. This cheese looks absolutely disgusting. I'm gonna throw up. If anything happens, no way. It'll be on your conscience. Ugh, that tastes awful. But you can't do that. You have to eat everything. Mary, I'm sorry, but you made me do this. What are you doing, Zach? There's no turning back. I had to. I feel bad. I'm all green. I think I'm burping. Ugh, this is disgusting. Now we'll suffocate for sure. You're right, Monica. I can't breathe anymore. I think I came up with something. You just need to put a clothespin on your nose, like this. The stench seems to have faded. I'll try to come back. It's time to see what food I got. Wow, chips! Oh my gosh! Finally, some good news. Time to take a look at my chips. Good luck, Monica. Wow, Monica got chips. Congratulations. They look perfect. I knew brown food wouldn't let me down. Wait a second. But it's not really a circle. It's more of an oval. No big deal. I know how to fix this situation. I'll show you what a real circle looks like. I don't understand what she's doing. Now you'll see for yourself. Wow! How is this even possible? It's beautiful, isn't it? Don't even dream of trying it. All these chips are mine. Now they definitely look like a real circle. And that means they belong to me and only me. Crunchy, super. I can't stop. It's delicious. Monica, you're right. It is delicious. This time it's Monica. A cactus? I can't believe my eyes. It's so prickly. How do I eat it? Poor girl. You really were unlucky this time. But there's nothing you can do. Bon appetit. I don't even know how to touch it. Oh, I pricked my finger. What should I do? I'm at a complete loss. Wait a second. I think I came up with a brilliant idea. You just need to cut all the needles with these small scissors. That's a good idea, Monica. You're doing great. Well, now the cactus doesn't look so intimidating. I don't think it's delicious, but it's better than it was with the needles anyway. How bitter. Ugh. I don't like this kind of food at all. This is a real mess. I'm gonna throw up. I can't take it anymore. Sorry, but that was disgusting. Monica, hurry up. It's disgusting to watch you. That's it, I'm done. Now you, Zach. I hope it's not a cactus. Wow, a sandwich. This is a nice surprise. I told you that square food is the most delicious. Now you can see for yourself. Now I'll show you how to eat this like a real gentleman. I'll put a napkin so I don't get dirty. Well, it's time to eat. Oh, I think I forgot something else. I need some cutlery. A fork and a spoon will be just fine. And now the most important, the sauce. A sandwich without ketchup is just not the same. I'll add a little bit on there. My mouth is gonna water. Zach, hurry up, please. Whatever you say, Monica. See, I already started. Turns out that cutting a slice of sandwich isn't so easy. Are you all right? You're using a spoon for that? But you need a knife. We'll help him, Mary. I think it'll be faster. Don't fight, Zach. Open your mouth wider. What did you do? I wanted to enjoy every bite. Although that was much faster. Thank you. Now, Mary. Okay. An ice cream cone. Tell me I'm dreaming. Oh, how delicious. I just love it. Sorry, Monica, but that ice cream looks like a circle. That's why I have to eat it. How delicious. Wow.
Oh, no!
What are you doing, Monica? Stop it. This is my food. And it's going to turn into a triangle. I'll grab a hairdryer and melt the ice cream. Wow, it melts. And now it's taking on the shape of the cone. Yeah, Zach, that's right. That's my plan. It's done. Now it's definitely mine. How's it going, Mary? Delicious? Oh, it's simply divine. The best food in the whole world. She's so greedy. You could have given the ice cream to me. Why don't you at least give me and Zach a little bite? Too late. I've already eaten everything. New food. Cool. I'll open first. A burger. Nothing could be better. I finally get a good meal. Mmm, how juicy. Oh my gosh. I love when burgers have lots of toppings. I want to swallow it whole and eat it all. What delicious food. Ugh, Monica, you're eating so sloppily. Whoa, a cockroach. All because of your garbage. No big deal. Here, sit right there. A cockroach? Help! I hate cockroaches! Someone get him out of here! Monica, next time would you mind not throwing food at me? I'm sorry, Mary. I can't control myself when I see cockroaches. It's time that we switch to something else. For example, my food. Just look how much gum there is here. And look at the shape. Perfect square. It's time to taste it. I definitely don't need this wrapper anymore. Bullseye right in the mouth. You have to agree, I'm pretty good. Zach, that's enough. Admit it, you're just jealous of me. See what I can show you. See? 2 pieces. Now I'm gonna catch them in my mouth, like this. Wow, how amazing. Bravo. I don't even have words. Hey, that's not all. Let's continue. I can easily catch the rest of the gum in my mouth, too. It's done. Cool, right? Hey, didn't you see that? I did it all for you. Maybe a huge bubble will surprise you? I'm gonna blow it up now. Oh, I can't do it. It's not working. Need to catch my breath and try again. Wait a second. I just need to chew the gum a little bit. Oh no, I spat it out. That was an accident. Okay, pretend that's how it should be. Go ahead, Mary. Well, finally. I've been waiting for this. Nacho super. How beautiful, delicious little triangles. I think I can eat them all in one go. That's it. Very tasty. It's a pity my portion ended so quickly. Mary, when you were eating, your face looked like a triangle. That's because it's my shape. Mom! Wow, pizza. This is the most delicious circle ever. What do you guys have? I have a pack of dry noodles. To be honest, I wanted something tastier. I have a piece of cake with fresh berries. I'm very happy. It's so beautiful. First, I'll try the strawberries. Look, they're in the shape of a triangle. Monica, don't even think of trying it. This is my berry. It's so juicy and ripe. Great. Want some? Of course. I told you it was mine. Mary, stop teasing us. Zach, I wasn't even thinking. Help yourself. Actually, no. Sorry. All the berries are gone. Very funny, Mary. We don't play those games. Now it's time to try the cake. Oh, it's so soft. And there's so much cream in it. I just love it. It's even better than the strawberries. I can't stop. You could at least share the cake with us. Sorry, but the cake's all gone. You're late. Eat your own food. And who's next? Oh, it's me. I completely forgot. Well, I'm ready. Besides, the pizza's gonna get cold. Give it here. This is mine. See? It's a triangular piece, so I have to eat it. Mary! That's not fair. I need to think of something. Oh yeah, I have an idea. The pepperonis are round, so they'll definitely be mine. How delicious. Super! I love pepperoni. It's a good thing there's so many here. One piece after the other. I'm so happy. Well, the pepperoni's gone. The pizza's now yours, Mary. You can have it back. But there isn't a single piece of pepperoni left. I don't like this pizza at all. I won't eat it. Is it just me? Or are you implying something? Oh, I think I can probably guess. It's time for me to try my noodles. I almost forgot about them. Looks like a lot. Pack's pretty full. I need to open it to check.
ہاں تو دوستو یہ کیا ہو چکا ہے دیکھو اتنے زیادہ اتنے یہ مت پھینکو ہاں یہ کیا ہو رہا ہے بہت خطرناک لگ رہا ہے اور شکریہ یہ ختم ہو چکا ہے شکر ہے ہاں یہ کیا ہو گیا چلو میں اس کو ٹرائی کر کے دیکھتا ہوں واو یہ بہت مزیدار ہے تو دوستو اگلی ویڈیو میں آپ سے ملاقات ہوگی پھر تب تک کے لیے اللہ حافظ اور دعا کہہ رہی ہوں میرے چینل کو لائک کریں سبسکرائب کریں اور آپ کو اچھی لگی ہو ویڈیو تو میرے چینل کو سبسکرائب کر دیں تب تک